Hello everyone, this is Taryn with Wonderfully Made Handcrafting. Unfortunately, I do have a cold going on right now, so if I sound a little funny, that is why. But this is an unboxing of February's scrapbooking store kit, and I can't wait to show you all the Valentine's themed goodies. So first off, let me start with the paper pack. This paper pack is from Echo Park Paper Co. called Valentine's Day. Obviously very fitting. Let me open this up. I haven't even opened this up yet, so I'm excited to see. Okay, so first off we have this fun little collage with typewriters and then bikes and hearts and gifts. And then the back side is a little bit more plain with the hearts. So red on red hearts. Next page is red on white hearts. And then we have some cards. So we have Love You Forever, Happy Valentine's Day, Valentine's Day love notes. Love is so sweet. All you need is love and chocolate. Oh, I like this one with the little tape. It says love songs. Sending love and hugs your way. Next one we have is some greenery with hearts. And then we have some more more cards, but 4x6s. You are so loved. Plant, love, and let it grow. Love this typewriter. You are the one my soul longs for. Aw, love, be my Valentine. And then you have that double bike right there. I love this one. This is really tiny little white hearts on a pink background. And then you have some florals on the back side. Then you'll have a pattern, it kind of almost reminds me of quilting, of some pink hearts with some dots in between making squares. And then a different floral. Some little red and pink flowers. And then some more cards. You've captured my heart. Love is in the air. You are so sweet. Really cute ones in there. And then white hearts on a black background with some letters in envelopes. Those are so cute. And then some plain colors. So that's always nice. So a mint and a pink. Then this one is pink and gold, and this one has like a different texture to it. It's a little bit, I don't know. It is nice and feely, but it's almost a little bit more sturdy too. So there's that. Oh, I see. Because these are from the Valentine's Day collection, and this is from a wine collection. So they're just a little bit different, but match really well. So again, the wine collection. So you have a pink and a green. And then this is from a different collection called Little Lullabies Baby Girl. I love this color. It's a brown, but it almost has like a pink base to it. And then you have a blue on the back. And then we have, from the same collection, mauve and pink. Very pretty. And then lastly, you have this sticker die set sheet from the My Valentine collection. So it looks really well with these other collections, with the colors of those. But you have some little banners, some cakes and ice cream, some little floral bunches. I think it's going to be really fun and sweet to make cards out of it or do a scrapbooking page. So that is your paper pack from Echo Park Paper. This one, actually this one is from Carta. Sorry, the stickers are from Carta. And then, oh, that's why. Okay, cool. Sorry. I should have looked at this beforehand. These papers are from Echo Park. And then the ones that are from different collections, why they feel so amazing, is those are from Carta as well. So, so right here you have the wine ones and the little lullabies. Those are all from Carta, and I always love their paper. It's so nice. So those papers and then the sticker sheet are both from Carta, whereas all the Valentine's Day papers are from Echo Park Paper. So it's kind of, you get to see a bunch of different companies this month, especially with the extras. So here we have Rosie's Studio, a couple things from Rosie's Studio, actually 2 of them right here. This is Forget Me Not cardstock. Let's see, cardstock stickers, I believe. So in here you have 2 different stickers. So you have some words and phrases, and then a couple different tags, circle stickers, some wood grain hearts. So those look fun. And then you have some veneer embellishments. There are 42 pieces in here. I'm not going to open them because I don't want to lose them. But here is an idea of what's in here. Our story, you, me, love always. Some butterflies, hearts, envelopes, cameras, a bunch of different hearts, a tag, even a little hot air balloon, a music note with a heart in it. Really cute stuff. And then lastly, we have Magic Love from Prima Marketing. So this one I was really excited about because it has this kind of vintage theme. So let me open this one up if I can. Okay, cool. Oops. So this one has, let's see, does it say how many pieces? 29 pieces in here. Let me move these out of the way. Oops. Knocking things over here. So this has some foiling too. Cutest of the bunch is a little foil piece. And then a girl with hearts in the background. Some florals. I love these. With love and devotion. So sweet. And then a tag with heart balloons. And just some more vintage kind of looking elements. This one says, love you most of all. A little card. Some florals. Little angels. Postcard. A lamb. Little postage stamp. And a little bit of foil on this envelope. Another tag that has a basket with florals in it. A really fancy bow. Some more postage stamps. Oh, I love this one. 2 birds. A postage stamp. Love. A heart. It says with love and esteem. Sorry, it's really, really tiny in there. I had to bring that closer to me. Some balloons. Love this. Loving you always, every day. And then last thing is one of these little sewing pieces. So that is what comes in the Prima marketing bundle. And yeah, you can still pick this up from a scrapbooking store. So make sure you check them out. I will leave my affiliate link down below. And I hope you have a good day and happy crafting, guys. Bye.